Tapescript 2.6.4.
Sam, I happily watched you at the pagoda today. You behaved well.
Thank you, Grandma. I tried hard.
Well, I was a little worried that you wouldn't act politely.
Thank you. I was nervous, but I closely watched Bisay and quickly learned what to do.
Tell me, how should you speak to a monk?
When you speak to a monk, you must speak calmly and softly. I also learned that one must not approach them eagerly, but be friendly.
What about when we eat?
After the other night, I now know not to greedily take as much food as I want, and I should eat slowly.
Correct. Remember, when one acts fast, one will act clumsily.
I'm glad I carefully packed my clothes too. The correct way to visit a pagoda like this is to dress respectfully too. I saw some people wearing shorts and t-shirts. I know you would have sadly let me dress like that, also if I didn't have any other clothes, so I'm glad I didn't carelessly pack only shorts and t-shirts.
Very good. You might speak loudly sometimes, but I can see you can learn to behave properly.
Thanks, Grandma. Can I hug you now?
Yes, you can, but remember, gently, not too tightly.
Behaved. Behaved.
Nervous. Nervous. Calmly. Calmly.
Softly. Softly. Approach. Approach.
Eagerly, eagerly. Greedily, greedily.
Clumsily. Clumsily.
Carefully. Carefully. Respectfully. Respectfully.
Carelessly, carelessly.
Properly. Properly.
Hug, hug.
Gently. Gently.
Tightly, tightly. Politely, politely.